I was looking for a affordable school compared to my undergrad, and Touro was right in the range that I was looking for.
One of the reasons I chose Touro was because I see Touro that is very engaging with students and they have great professors.
It's great that it's in the middle of Manhattan, so New York City is awesome. Also, Touro has a very good lab.
It's a very well-known school for their instructional technology program. I also commute from New Jersey for the convenience that I could actually take the ferry and then make my way here.
I had a friend of mine that goes to Touro that told me a lot of good stuff about Touro.
I met several people whom I kept friendships over the years, and also the support that Touro offers to its students.